Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great, and as you see, we have a new insider preview build 10.0.2263.2419 and I release, and now I'm just installing, and that's the Microsoft patch, some patch, I think patch Tuesday or some finish released for the update and fix some issue on the taskbar and Copilot and other stuff about it's slow and some glitch. Fix the file explorer, and so now as you see, I will install, and you go and install. Now I will restart and start, and that's the finish. So now, because I'm recording, I finish. And so guys, that'll be all for now. Subscribe, like, share with your friends and my channel, and bye.